Hello all, my name is Siddharth Kumar and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about one of the most popular framework of Python, that is OpenCV. So first of all, let us understand about what actually OpenCV is. So here you can see that OpenCV is an open source computer vision and machine learning software library. OpenCV was built to provide a common infrastructure for computer vision applications and to accelerate the use of machine perception in the commercial product. So it is the library of Python which is widely used for image detection and image manipulation. It is widely used in the field of machine learning. Some of the application of OpenCV are that it is used in image detection, it is used in facial recognition, it is also used in expression detection like whether the particular person is happy, sad or angry or surprised, etc. So first of all, in this video we will see how we can load our image in OpenCV. So first of all we will head to Visual Studio and here we will write our code to load our image. So first of all, let me write import something, that is I have to import OpenCV for that. So OpenCV is CV2. So first of all I have to import OpenCV. As you can see it here, I have imported OpenCV, that is I have imported CV2, but if you haven't installed it, then if you will use it, then it will give you error. So you have to install it first of all. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go here in command prompt and just have to enter this following line of code, that is pip install OpenCV and then a hyphen and Python, and after that when you will click enter, then it will install. But I have already installed it, so it is saying me requirement already satisfied. So after that, after installing this, we will load our image, and let me show you what image I have used here. So this is the image. So I will use this image and will load it with the help of Python code which is used in OpenCV. So first of all, after importing OpenCV here, we have to make a variable. I will name it img, and in img I will just use the command, that is cv2.imread. Imread is a function which is used to read the image in OpenCV, and here we will write the name of the file, that is 14.jpg. Here you can see that the name of that particular image is 14.jpg. That's why I am putting 14.jpg. After doing so, you can see that we have imported cv2 package, and after that we have read this image, that is 14.jpg, and after reading this image we will have to show this image. So for showing this image, now we will use the command, that is cv2.imshow to show the image. So and here first of all it takes two parameters. First parameter is you have to write the name of what will be the name when the image will appear. So I will write it image only, and after that we will have to pass this particular variable, that is img. So img. So after doing so, we have successfully imported the library which is used to load the image, and after that we have used cv2.imread function to read that particular image, and now we are showing just these image. But after doing so, we will not get our result. Why? Because we will have to use one more function, that is cv2.getKey. We will have to use this particular library. Sorry for that. What is happening, bro? We just have to use cv2.waitKey and if we will put here 1000, sorry, then it will appear for 1 second. And if we want that it will appear for infinite time, then we simply have to put 0 over here. So after doing so, if we will execute this here in command prompt, after going in that particular folder where I have read this folder, so here just I will write python and the name of the file, that is opencvcute1.py, that is the Python file. And now if we will execute this, then you can see that image will be loading and will come here, appear here. So here you can see that we are getting the image using the library of Python, that is OpenCV. We can set height and width of this particular image as well, but we will do that in the next video. And in the next video we will also talk about how we can load videos using OpenCV. So stay tuned. Thank you.